casting na mag-sequel kayo?
Yes, we are. Kasi parang, naalala ko nga, hindi ko makalimutan to. Kasi when Hello, Love, Goodbye was shown in Netflix, parang nung time na, kasi di ba sa Netflix, pag mawawala na siya, may leaving soon na nakalagay dun sa film. And then all of a sudden, parang nung aalis na sa Netflix, biglang parang ayaw nila. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin, I think, until today ba? Meron pa rin Hello, Love, Goodbye on Netflix. And of course, marami rin sa mga yung mga supporters namin, I'm sure si Kat din. And yung mga fans ng film, the actual film, really wants to know what happens next. So, yes, we are aware na andyan lang, parang the clamor is still there. Ngayon lang talaga mas nabigyang bunga yung paghingi nila ng part 2 for this film.
Worth the wait, no? Kat, ikaw naman.
I think we're pretty aware na people have been asking, may part 2 ba, kailan? Even our friends, our families, lahat sila. Pero my usual answer, every time they ask that to me, sabihin ko, hindi ko alam. Pero hindi ako nag-no, hindi ako nag-yes kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam. Pero, we were all hoping na actually pwede pa talaga sundan because as we all know, open-ended yung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Pero not until this year, kasi yung mga sinagot ko na nag-no ako or hindi ko alam, hindi ko talaga alam na this would be possible. Today, we're officially announcing it. And then sometimes, actually, yung fear ko, when Tita Cory told me about this film, syempre natakot ako kasi hindi ko alam kung should we just leave it as it is or maybe gumawa na lang kami ng bagong kwento ni Alden or better na ituloy siya. But then, nung pinag-isipan ko siya, if I put myself aside, not being part of the cast, parang minsan ang dami kong questions, ang dami kong gusto malaman, kamusta si Joy? Is Ethan okay? Nag-survive ba yung LDR nila? Kamusta yung buhay niya sa Canada? Nagawa ba niya yung dreams niya? So for me, I think Hello, Love Again will provide all the answers to my questions and to all our questions, hopefully. But this time naman, sa ibang setting, which is in Canada.
I know.
And as Dara Cathy said, sa kwento pa lang nila, ang daming maganda at the same time, very sad stories that we want to tell. So, I think this is a good continuation. But sa ibang aspeto naman, let's see.